He's saying, whosoever will let him drink of his water. He promised to pour his spirit out on his sons and his daughters. If you're thirsty and dry, lift up to the sky. It's beginning to rain. It's beginning to what the earth is crying out for. And he's calling his sons and daughters to rise up and be a voice in the earth. He's calling the sons and daughters to come forth, And he's pouring out again. He's pouring out again. He's pouring out the rain. He's pouring out his goodness and mercy. He's pouring out his glory because he has patience for the fruit of the earth. And all he desires to accomplish in the days ahead. And we are on the cusp of it, folks. We are at a place where suddenly